Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us big clues right here. It's very important you pay close attention to that. Just take a look. We retested upper Bollinger and you get that big red candle. And we have, well, in a way, almost retested the 20-day moving average. Very important setup here. You have to pay close attention because you see the Bollingers contracting right here. A big move is coming in preparation for obviously FOMC in September. So let's pay close attention. You have to know what to be looking out for. And I will show you how to catch big moves like that. Because yes, the secret was understanding the Magenta algorithm right here. Just take a look. Once we got the Magenta in place, all you have to do was to wait for the breakout in that green. And just take a look, that retrace of that Magenta again. See the retracement right there. Now we saw that at 952 right there. Absolutely beautiful trade. Now this trade was just absolutely blockbuster because it just went down in that green algorithm right there. And I mentioned this, I said you have to be managing and nurturing your runners according to the green precision algorithms right there. And because of the Magenta algorithms, I managed to double my runners 100% twice. So that's 4x right there. Absolutely beautiful trade. All because you understood how to be looking out for the Magenta as well as this green algorithm right there. That's it, because I talked about how they will rage bait you on Friday, and that's exactly what happened. Just take a look. We went to nowhere, and there will be many desperate traders, especially retail traders, trying to catch a big move, and they cannot find any profits. They cannot recover back from the morning action, and they get all trapped here. So you just have to be very careful right throughout the day. I would provide some pointers. You just have to be more aware of what to be looking out for. That's exactly what we do here.